I know I'm a little late to the party, but today I will be sharing my delightful chocolate Yule log recipe. This recipe turned out so good I ended up making a white chocolate and lemon version, so watch out for that recipe coming soon on this channel. So I'm going to start by cracking 4 eggs in a large bowl. I added some sugar to this and whisked it with the electrical whisk until it was pale and fluffy. Once my mixture looked like this, I added some flour, some cocoa powder and some baking powder. I then used a spatula to fold all them ingredients together. So my airy batter is now ready to be poured out onto my baking tray, which is lined with some grease-proof paper. I spread the batter out evenly with my spatula and gave it a good tap on the surface. So I have decided to use my airfryer oven for this recipe. You can use a normal oven if you wish. Both settings are in the description below. While that's baking away nicely, I'm going to make some chocolate ganache. For that I will melt some milk chocolate, some dark chocolate, some butter and some double cream. Once I've melted all them ingredients on the hob, I'm going to leave that in the fridge for 1 hour. The sponge is now ready. I'm not going to wait for this to cool. I will carefully roll this into a log shape while it's still hot and leave it until it's cooled. To help me unroll the sponge easily, I have used a sheet of grease-proof paper and rolled it in between the sponge. While that's cooling away, I'm going to make some fresh cream filling. For this I got some double cream, I added some icing sugar and some cocoa powder. I then whisked this until it was thick. It's now time to assemble the Yule log. I carefully unrolled the sponge and spread some cream on it and then rolled it again. I then spread a generous amount of ganache on the log and then sprinkled it with some icing sugar. And that's how I made this delicious Yule log. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys, till next time.